If you're looking for an animated explainer video production, you can either try to do it yourself by downloading complicated software, or you can simply get an animated explainer video done for you by using iVidCo.com. iVidCo creates professional animated explainer video productions in as little as 5 business days and is delivered to you in high definition 1080p. iVidCo is an animated explainer video production company that has created hundreds of explainer videos for many different products and services in hundreds of niches. iVidCo's process is really simple. Just send the full script or an outline and the script will be created for you. Once the script is approved by you, then the animated explainer video production begins. The professional voiceover is created. It's added to attention-grabbing background music, and then the actual animation is created. And within as little as 5 business days, your animation is ready to be used anywhere you see fit. You own 100% of the video and retain 100% of the rights. To find out how iVidCo can help you get your animated explainer video production done, simply visit our website at ividco.com today.